Ever pondered if one could coax clouds to yield more rain? Well, welcome to the intriguing world of cloud seeding. Picture clouds as vast reservoirs brimming with moisture. Yet, for that moisture to descend as rain or snow, it seeks something to latch onto: minuscule particles known as condensation nuclei. Cloud seeding plays the role of a matchmaker, introducing these nuclei, such as silver iodide or even dry ice, into clouds. Acting as ice crystals, they allure water droplets, growing larger until they're weighty enough to tumble down as precipitation. It's akin to tossing sprinkles into a supersaturated sugar solution, where the sprinkles become the heart of growing sugar crystals that eventually drop. Cloud seeding doesn't conjure rain showers from thin air. It's a globally utilized technique for various aims like bolstering winter snowfall, supplementing water supplies in arid regions like the UAE, and even mitigating hailstorms. Yet cloud seeding isn't a magic wand. Scientists continue to refine this technique and assess its precise efficacy, but it's undeniably a captivating instance of how we're attempting to gently guide weather patterns to our advantage.